In many African villages, there was a warning every child heard growing up: do not sweep the house at night. It was not shouted. It was not argued. It was simply stated and obeyed. Children who asked why were often told, "You will sweep away your blessings, or you will invite what should not enter." To outsiders, it sounded like superstition. To the elders, it was wisdom shaped by generations. In traditional African belief, the night was not empty, it was alive. Nighttime was considered a period when spiritual forces moved freely. Ancestors were believed to visit. Protective spirits were active. Negative forces also wandered, searching for openings. Darkness was not feared, but it was respected. Sweeping, in this context, was not just cleaning, it was an act of removal. To sweep at night meant symbolically clearing away what could not be seen. Elders believed this careless act could remove spiritual protection, ancestral favor, or even household harmony. In many communities, the home was considered a sacred space after sunset. The floor held more than dust, it held footprints, energy, and memory. Sweeping at night was thought to disturb this balance. There was also a social meaning. In village life, sweeping was done in the morning or late afternoon. Sweeping at night suggested restlessness, impatience, or disregard for order. Elders valued rhythm, knowing when to act and when to be still. Practically, there were reasons to. Homes were dimly lit by fire or oil lamps. Sweeping in darkness meant valuables could be swept away unnoticed. Coins, seeds, jewelry, medicinal items. Over time, this practical caution became wrapped in spiritual language to ensure obedience, especially from children. But the deeper meaning went beyond objects. Sweeping at night symbolized pushing away what you had not yet understood. Elders believed some things should be allowed to settle before being removed. Morning light represented clarity. Night represented reflection. To act without seeing clearly was considered dangerous. This belief taught patience. It taught awareness. It taught respect for unseen consequences. That is why elders did not argue about it. They taught it as a rule of life. Not everything that looks like dirt is meant to be removed immediately. Some must be understood first. Even today, many Africans still pause when a broom touches the floor after sunset, not because they fear punishment but because memory remains, and memory carries wisdom. The warning against sweeping at night was never just about the broom. It was about timing, balance, and knowing when to act and when to wait.